Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFansias. In this video, we will see how to install TWRP on MAA2. So after unlocking the bootloader, the important step is installing the TWRP. But installation on this device is little bit different than other devices. So let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you have all the drivers installed in your PC. Once you have it in place, you need two things. First, TWRP image file. Second, TWRP zip file. I will leave the link to download both from them in the description of the video. You can download. I use the latest version. You can even use the older one, which is 3.1, which I have used a year ago for Android Pie builds. So I'm not sure whether it works, but you can use latest one. First, reboot your device to fast boot. For that, I use adb command, which is adb reboot bootloader. Once you reboot to bootloader, check if the device is connected. For that, use a fastboot devices. As you see here, my device is showing. Now you need to boot to TWRP. For that, use fastboot boot and space drag and drop the TWRP image file. Now the device will boot to TWRP. Once you are in the TWRP, it's time to install it. We have the twrp.zip in the PC, which will install in both the partition, hopefully. But to do that, we need it installed. For that, we can use adb sideload. In TWRP, go to Advanced, select adb sideload and swipe to start the sideload. Once the thing is established, you can use adb sideload space and drag and drop the twrp.zip file and hit enter. It will install the TWRP in your device. Once the TWRP is installed, go to wipe and format the data. You need to type yes. Also, it will erase all your data. Please backup it before doing it. Once it's formatted, go to reboot and reboot to recovery. Now you will be able to see the storage on the PC. Now copy paste this disable force encryption.zip. Now Go to install and install the disable force encryption. That's all. Now you can reboot to your system. You have successfully installed the TWRP. I tried the combination of keys to boot the TWRP, but it doesn't work as I expected. It's just booting the device. So hereafter I use ADB reboot recovery to boot to recovery or TWRP. So thank you for watching and we'll see you in next good one. Kotamoto.